All right, we're gonna teach Layla how to drive stick in the Miata off-road. What could go wrong? Okay.
Okay, so to start the car, well, let me tell you what I know. This thing, I have to put in neutral. And that's how I know that it's on neutral.
Yeah, now it's in neutral.
And then when I turn on the car, the clutch has to be on.
Yep.
And then I go into first gear with the clutch on. And then somehow I do clutch gas situation.
Yeah, exactly. You do a little bit of gas. You don't need to do a ton of gas. You'll do a little bit of gas and then release the clutch and we'll go forward.
Okay. Are you ready?
Yeah. Let's
put your seatbelt on.
Put the seatbelt on. There we go.
So I can let go
you can...
of the clutch? When do I press the gas? Now?
No, put it in first.
Piper, come on. Is that in first?
You're good there.
Oh, my brake's on.
Yep. There you go.
So it's on first?
Yeah, practice keeping the clutch in and then just give it a little bit of gas.
Ooh.
A little bit more?
That's a lot.
No, that was good. Yeah, just that much is good. Yeah, a little bit more. You want that, so you watch that, try, yeah, right around there. Perfect.
Okay.
Now just slowly let off the clutch. Hey, not bad. Not bad. But I think you let off the gas a little bit.
Oh, I didn't push. I should keep pressing it.
Yeah, you have to keep pressing it.
Okay.
You're doing all right. You're doing great.
Okay.
It doesn't need to go into neutral. Just hit the clutch. Then start it. And we're good. Now let's try again. A little bit of gas. A little more gas. A little more. You want it around the 2. Watch it. Okay, now release. Hey! Yeah, you did it! Second try. Great job. Woohoo! Nice work.
Okay. And then when do I
go right or left?
When do I put it into a different gear?
All right, you have to cancel the turn signals yourself. They don't automatically do it. Yeah, go a little bit quicker. So when it gets up to about the 3, then you will, yeah.
Okay, and it's 1, 2, right?
Yeah, so you just go straight down. So you'll try and do it quick. You'll let off the gas, push in the clutch, put it down to 2nd, let off the clutch, put in the gas. But try and go real quick.
Should this person go in front of me?
No, you're already going. So go, yeah, try going a little faster. You can go a little faster. All right, now try going into 2nd gear. So get your foot on the clutch.
Okay, pushing the clutch all the way.
But you have to let off the gas.
Like a little bit. Or all the way. All the way gas off?
Yeah, all the way gas off.
Okay.
Then clutch in.
Okay.
Down to 2nd. Let off the clutch, put on the gas.
Okay, ready?
Amazing job!
Okay, but if I'm driving this on the road, I don't think I should scream when I'm driving the car.
Who cares? You're doing great. This is amazing. What do you think? You're driving off-roading.
I like it.
Yeah.
I feel like a race car driver.
You are a race car driver. You're doing amazing.
Does it matter which way?
Nope.
Should I change it to a different gear? Are we okay?
No, you're doing good. Unless you want to practice. Which you can do it to practice if you want.
Okay, so it's 1, 2, and then 3, 4, 5, 6.
No 6.
No 6. Because it's
into first now, or up this hill. Go back into first. There you go. Nice job. Heck yeah. Just cruise it nice and slow. Yeah, you're off-roading.
This is more than I thought I would do.
But you're doing great. Look at you go. We have fans everywhere.
Okay, and then if I want to stop the car.
Alright, you're gonna have to gas it.
What?
A lot of gas, full throttle, all the way to the floor. Yeah! Yes, you're doing so good! Alright, let off. There you go. Great! That was amazing! Oh my god! That was insane! I'm so proud of you. I bet.
Okay.
Wow.
Alright, so if I want to stop the car, I just hit the brake and it'll stop? I don't,
You have to put in the clutch.
Clutch situation?
You do have to put in the clutch if you want to come to a complete stop. Try that now. So put in the clutch first and then the brake. There you go.
Like that?
Yep.
It's not going. Is it because I'm on the brake?
No. Here, try it. If it does that, go down. Try going in a second.
It's not going.
Are you clutching it?
No.
Oh, you have to put the clutch in.
I just asked you that.
Okay, I didn't. Yeah, so put
Okay.
the clutch in. Always, the clutch has to be in when you put it into gear. There you go.
Okay, that's first?
Yep. So then you'll go nice and slow, and so you can use the brake a little bit. And if we're going really, really slow, you might have to put in the clutch so it doesn't die. So if you're fine. So just go nice and slow.
First,
Just
take it out.
Take it out of
the
what?
clutch. Ease off the clutch and give it gas.
Yep. Give it gas. Give it a little gas and let off the clutch real smooth. There you go. All right, now foot on the brake and the clutch. That was so awesome! I can't believe it! Your first time driving the Miata. Yeah, you're fine. Yes! So good! Wow.
That's funny.
Alright. So now, see, we're about 4,000. That's, the 4.
Okay.
That's when you can change into second. Are you having fun?
Yeah, I like it.
Yeah! There we go. You did so good. I'm so proud of you. Did you have fun?
I did.
Yeah. She was doing so good until the very end. We got stuck.
Oops. Hey, I did good on the rocks. I can't do sand.
The sand is tough, for sure, but it helps if you stay on the road.
Hey, I can't see it.
You can see the road.
I see the road the whole time.
You can see the road.
But like that looks like sand as well, so.
All right. Well, We gotta figure this out.